Sagutin ko lang yung comment dyan ni Kabayan. Sabi niya, magkano po ang kuha mo ng trade license and import license? Okay, magandang tanong yan. Actually, yung trade license tsaka yung import license, magkaiba po yun. Yung trade license, that is your license para po makapagbenta po kayo dito sa Middle East legally. Yung import license naman, that is your license para po makapag-import po kayo coming from China or some other countries. So the question is, magkano ba talaga yung trade license or yung import license? Yung trade license po, you can use e-commerce trade license kapag po you're planning to sell on Amazon or Noon. If you want to import naman, you need to secure an import license or yung tinatawag namin na Immersal Code coming from the Dubai Customs. How much it will cost you? Import license will just cost you approximately 300 to 500 dirhams yearly. Pagdating naman po sa e-commerce trade license, you can also invest up to 6,750 dirhams. Meron na pa kayong trade license yan. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to follow my page tapos i-hit mo na yung like button. Yun lang, happy selling mga kabayan.